I know exactly how you feel. That emptiness, that feeling that something essential is missing in your life, is eating you up inside. You seek stability, happiness, someone with whom you can share all of this. But it seems that the more you search, the further away it gets, doesn't it? The pain of rejection is still fresh, and the disappointment of not finding what you desire so much leaves you adrift. But let me tell you something. This turbulence, this pain you're feeling right now, is a clear sign that something needs to change. And in this video, I will show you how to turn the tables. Stay with me, because what I have to tell you can change everything. You are at a point in your life where every thought seems to carry significant weight, as if you were putting together a puzzle where each piece is crucial. It's a moment of deep analysis, where you review every aspect of your existence in a detailed way, almost as if you were conducting an internal audit. There are areas of your life that you feel are well under control, that you manage with confidence, and that flow the way you always wanted. But there are other parts that, no matter how hard you try, don't seem to progress as you would like. This generates a sense of restlessness, a need to understand what is out of balance, and how you can adjust those parts so that everything works in harmony. In this process of reflection, you begin to look at your life as a whole, seeking to understand more deeply who you are and what really matters to you. It's as if the presence of a particular person has ignited this spark of introspection, leading you to ponder your mental and emotional state, and even those daily details that used to go unnoticed, but now seem to gain new importance. This person, without a doubt, has had a significant impact in triggering these thoughts and emotions. But it is important to remember that this phase of reflection and growth is not only the result of this external influence. In fact, much of it comes from you yourself. You are someone naturally inclined to learning, who values personal growth, and who, regardless of circumstances, is always seeking ways to become a better version of oneself. Your ability to self-assess, to be honest with yourself, and to want to evolve is what truly drives this transformation. So while it is true that this person has brought up important issues, the real credit belongs to you. Your journey of self-discovery and growth is a reflection of your inner strength, your ability to look within and find the answers you need, to always seek the best path for your life. This willingness to learn, to evolve, and to adapt is what makes you a unique person, someone who, even in the most difficult moments, finds ways to reinvent yourself and to continue on the path of wisdom and self-awareness. When you stop for a moment and observe the small things around you, something changes profoundly inside you. Suddenly, that tree that has always been there, almost unnoticed, reveals itself as much more than just wood and leaves. It becomes seen as a vital source, responsible for generating the oxygen you breathe every day, sustaining life around you. That tree is a safe haven for birds, and at the same time, a clear symbol of the connection we have with God, the creator of everything. By developing this perception, a deep sense of gratitude begins to grow within you. And this gratitude, which seems simple, actually carries a powerful force. It goes beyond the moment, permeating your life and transforming the way you see the world. It is as if each small detail, each small blessing, is there to remind you of the greatness of everything that exists. And gradually, this energy of gratitude begins to open doors, revealing a future full of promises and possibilities. The most amazing thing is that by connecting with this energy, you start to attract to yourself things and people who resonate on the same wavelength. In fact, a particular person, who not only understands the depth of what you feel, but also shares this feeling with you. It is that person who truly loves you, who respects you and will take care of you with the same kindness and attention that you offer to the world. This is not a person who will leave you at the first difficulty, but rather the one who stands by your side, going through the good and bad times together, with genuine love and dedication. True beauty is not only in the big things, but also in those small ones, often overlooked in everyday life. Think of someone who, when looking at nature, manages to capture the simplicity and grandeur that exist in every detail. It's like when she watches a bird flying in the sky and with a smile, shares with you, "Look at that bird." Or when the sun begins to set and without hesitation, comments, "Look at that incredible sunset." These moments are precious, because they reveal a deep connection with the world and make you feel truly seen and valued. Being with this person is being in tune. You will not feel ignored, nor as if you are talking to someone who doesn't care. If you point to a tree, for example, she will not simply respond indifferently. On the contrary, she will engage, share your admiration, and understand what it means to you. This shows a beautiful way of seeing the world, something that makes you feel like you found someone who sees things similarly. The connection you will have is deep and sincere, and this translates into a fluid and natural relationship, where there is a mutual understanding of what really matters in life. Perhaps in the past, you may have been involved with someone who matched you in many aspects, but not in all. Compatibility may have been good, but not complete. Now, however, you are in a moment of openness to new possibilities, new beginnings. This past may even come back, and compatibility may grow, but what really matters now is the energy of renewal that is present in your life. There is a movement happening, leading you to meet new people, to experience new situations, and to explore new destinations. This may mean significant changes, such as a new home, a new job, or even a change of country. But it's not only abroad that these changes happen, they also occur within you, bringing a transformation that touches your core. This feeling of change is actually an opportunity for growth. It is a chance to reconnect with what truly brings happiness and satisfaction. By allowing yourself to go through this transformation, you open yourself up to the new and to the opportunities that God is placing in your path. It is a time to trust in the flow of life, knowing that every change, every new experience, is shaping a future that is more aligned with who you really are. You are on the brink of a transformative moment in your life, and it is crucial that you understand the magnitude of what is to come. Your journey is about to take an incredible turn, and nothing will be as before. A new cycle full of comfort, peace, and stability is rapidly approaching, and that is the answer to your most sincere prayers. Deep down, you long for a solid life, where you can trust the people around you and live in an environment that overflows with peace and happiness. We know that happiness and peace are not things that can simply be bought. Money, of course, is essential to ensure a certain level of comfort and to make your dreams come true, but it is not able to bring true peace of mind. We are in a world where many possess material wealth, but still lack that inner peace we all seek. There is a huge difference between having money and having peace. Some people, even with fortunes, live in anguish, while others, who may have less financially, enjoy a tranquility that money could never buy. What makes what is to come even more special is that you will not only achieve the financial stability you desire so much, but you will also gain something much more valuable: true peace. This peace is a divine gift, a sign that God is taking care of you. If you have ever experienced moments of peace in your life, you know how rare and precious that is. Peace is being in balance with yourself and the world, without that constant pressure and anxiety that often overwhelm us. Having peace is living without fear, with the certainty that everything is in the right place. It is one of the greatest blessings you can receive, and it will completely transform your way of seeing life. This new phase will not only provide you with financial security, but a serenity that goes beyond material things. The peace you will experience will envelop you in such a profound way that nothing can shake your confidence and well-being. It is a peace that comes from the depths of the soul, a tranquility that transcends any worry, and that will guide you on a path of stability and lasting happiness. Get ready, because what is to come will fill your heart with a joy and a security that you have never felt before. You will discover that true happiness is not just in having money, but in having peace, that indescribable feeling that everything is all right, that you are exactly where you should be, and that the universe is working in your favor. What is coming is something truly special, a deep peace that will settle in every aspect of your life. This peace will soften worries, calm the mind and heart, bringing a relief that perhaps you did not even know you needed. It's as if the sun is about to rise on the horizon of your life, spreading its light and warming those corners that once seemed cold and lifeless. This dawn brings not only new opportunities but also a renewed hope, a light that illuminates the path and shows that things that seemed stagnant or even dead are just waiting for the right moment to flourish. Sometimes, it's easy to feel like things are at a standstill, that nothing seems to be moving. But this feeling can be deceptive. It's as if life is saving the best for the right moment. And the brightness of the sun beginning to emerge on the horizon is a clear and strong reminder that your future is full of promises. So much is yet to come, so many blessings and opportunities that you may not even imagine. They are there, waiting to manifest in your life. I wonder if so far, this message has touched something within you. If so, I want you to feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Furthermore, make a simple yet powerful statement: "My future is bright." By declaring this, you are beginning to attract all the good things that the universe, through God's grace, has already prepared for you. Now you may be feeling that everything around you is stagnant, without movement or visible progress. I want to tell you something important. This sense of stagnation can be a form of divine protection. It's as if you are being shielded from situations that could be negative or even dangerous. There are greater forces working in your favor, keeping away people or circumstances that could cause turmoil or disturbance in your life. So if at any point you feel frustration or discouragement for not seeing things change immediately, remember that this pause serves a purpose. It is a sign that you are being prepared for something much bigger. This calmness, this apparent lack of movement, is protecting and strengthening you for what is to come. You are becoming someone who exudes an internal strength and self-confidence that cannot be ignored. It's impressive to see this evolution in you, this ability to face any challenge with courage and steadfastness. This new strength is not superficial. It is something that comes from within, a powerful energy that makes you feel in total control of your life. As you embrace this new version of yourself, it's as if the world is opening up before your eyes. Things that used to make you hesitate now seem like exciting challenges, ready to be conquered. You feel comfortable in your own skin, and this gives you the freedom to explore new paths, to venture into unknown territories with a certainty that you have what it takes to triumph. And the most beautiful thing about all of this is that this transformation doesn't stop with you. Your confidence and inner strength begin to attract people who share that same energy. In love, you will see that you will attract a partner who is as strong and self-assured as you are. You will form a powerful union, where strength and confidence not only coexist but complement each other, creating a solid and enriching partnership. In your professional life, this new stance will change the way people see you. Your determination and security will not go unnoticed. Those around you will start to treat you with more respect, with more consideration, and this will only reinforce your sense of well-being. This change of attitude at work, this new way you will be treated, will contribute to making you feel even more fulfilled and happy. The path you are on is one of deep and inspiring transformation. You are becoming someone who not only faces life with courage, but also inspires others to do the same. This journey that you are embarking on will lead you to a place of great personal fulfillment and happiness. Surely, you are asking yourself now, what does the universe, what does God, have in store for me? The answer is strong and direct, something grandiose, something beyond what you can imagine. With the passing of time, you not only move forward, but you transform, grow, and become stronger every day. The confidence that is emerging within you is the key to unlocking doors that once seemed unattainable. The message is clear: don't stop. Even when the path seems obscure, remember that you are capable of overcoming any obstacle. At the end of this tunnel, the light will shine brightly, showing a future full of opportunities and promises. You will realize that everything you are striving for will materialize in a fulfilling and rewarding way. Just imagine a home where you share life with someone who understands and supports you, a space filled with peace, financial security, and above all, genuine love. And that's exactly what you need to internalize. Your future is bright. I know that, at times, it may seem like you are stuck, going in circles, facing the same challenges repeatedly, as if you are stagnant. But the truth is that this is an illusion. Don't be deceived by this negative feeling, because it does not reflect the reality of what God is preparing for you. What really matters is that you trust the process. Believe that the best is yet to come, and that every effort you make, every step you take in the right direction, brings you closer to what you desire and deserve so much. God has incredible plans for you, and the path you are currently walking on, as challenging as it may be, is just a stage of a journey that will lead you to a life full of joy, love, and success. So don't stop. Continue believing, keep fighting, because your future is full of wonderful things, waiting for you with open arms. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonating deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision may be. Type, "I receive and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and be alert to the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.